Good morning. We are on the way to the Ouzoud waterfalls. I hope I'm saying that right. It's a beautiful hike and it has macaw monkeys, which I saw in the square of Marrakesh, but this will be in their natural habitat. Super excited about. This is actually the tallest waterfall in Morocco, and it's about a 3-hour drive from Marrakesh. We just took a little pit stop. You can kind of see the landscape behind me. It's been a very, very beautiful drive. We've got about an hour to go, so let's hit the road. Just got to the falls. It's a little bit chilly, but at least the sun is out. It's not a long hike. Oh my god. Wow. So we walked about 500 meters. It was mostly steps, but it was not a long walk at all. And guys, look at this view! So the waterfalls itself are obviously stunning, but I cannot get over these rock formations that surround the waterfall. Oh my goodness. So this is all limestone, and you can see there's hundreds of little crevices. I don't know if it'll pick up on the camera, but a flock of birds just flew by and they came into the caves at the top. There they go. Oh my gosh. So all throughout these rocks, all throughout these crevices, there's monkeys, there's birds, there's snakes, there's vultures. They all make their home up there. Okay, now it is time for lunch with a view, so we're gonna hike back up a little bit.
Watching the looking at the situation. Are you there? Don't jump.
So we made it to the top of the waterfall, and it is a steep hike, not a long one, but lots of stairs. so definitely have proper footwear. This is supposed to be where the monkeys are, but he said today they have decided to go to another spot, so we aren't able to see them. But they travel in groups of their family, which I thought was super cool.
Harvest time, they gather in the fruit, then there is a donkey or mule, like a means of transport. Turning, this one, it take a long time. We turn from the right to the left, but we keep...
Alright, that was our tour. I will leave all the information for the tour that I took down below. And now we're heading back to Marrakech for another 3 hours.